Hello, everyone, and welcome to the sponsored talk for Pumas AI. My name is Vijay Baturi. I'm co-founder and chief scientist at Pumas AI, a company where we strive to augment healthcare intelligence. We are a company formed by world-class experts, both in the domain of drug development and scientific computing. And together with their spin-off companies at Pumas AI and Julia Computing, we bring together world-class expertise that is driven and is trying to innovate the space of quantitative drug development. Puma's products at its core are designed to deal with multiple sources of data, big data, different coming from electronic health record systems, claims databases, images, sensor-based data, and so on. And while we want to use this big data, we also want to provide real-time solutions because time is very important in this space. Pumas is designed at its core to provide highly scalable real-time solutions. We wanted to allow the integration of the domain-specific models with the modern machine and deep learning systems. And all of you have been hearing about this in this conference in terms of scientific machine learning, and Pumas is designed also at its core to perform such sort of analytics. And the way Pumas is designed, we've also made sure that we are looking into the future, that we need to be able to provide real-time solutions on the field, on the ground, to patients and providers at the same time. So Pumas will be available to be used in devices for providing real-time solutions. There are two fundamental and main products of Pumas AI. Pumas, which is a modeling and simulation software that can be used in a drug development setting for decision making, and the Live, which is a clinical decision support system that is used for patient management in a clinic. Let me talk to you briefly about Live. Live is the basic idea of Live is we use data from electronic health record systems or any other data repository that maintains patient level data, and we leverage prior information regarding that particular patient who's coming in, along with the information on the disease and the drugs and the therapeutic modalities to be used, and provide individual treatment recommendations per patient. This reduces the burden on the physician as the decisions that we are recommending are more scientific and objective in nature. Moving to drug development, modeling and simulation as an activity has been used for decades to de-risk drug development. It is used 100% in all new regulatory filings at the FDA. Modeling and simulation is used for strategy in a ton of cases, and it is also used to decide what the next dose should be or what should be the right dose in the clinical trial. It's used for product approval. It is used to shorten uh, long trials or skip trials altogether. We can provide trial success projections and also to develop new regulatory policy. Pumas allows you to do all of this because it's an integrated software that allows deeper insights. It is scalable and super fast. It is written in one language. That's why we all are here for the Julia language. And it allows scientific machine learning. Pretty much the only tool available in the market today that allows scientific machine learning. For those of you who are not able to provide and have the time for these sort of analytics, Pumas also allows you to we also provide services such as quantitative analytics, product development strategy for your pharma company, and we take you all the way, we help you in your regulatory filings at the FDA. As of now, Pumas has many different modules. You can go to our website at www.pumas.ai to understand about each of these modules. And as of today, I'm very excited to tell you that our project that started in 2017 is very close to a product release in just a couple of weeks from now or earlier. So please look out as we will be out there showcasing the release of Pumas 1.0 in just a couple of weeks. Lastly, The Pumas plus Julia ecosystem is designed to allow innovation, provide scaling of your problems, integrated analytics, and really fast analytics thanks to Julia language. And we allow a reproducible framework that that keeps track of everything from source to submission at the FDA. For more information, please reach out to us on www.pumas.ai or just send me an email. Thank you so much.